I want it, don't got it. I want it, don't got it. I want it. I got it!
Gassed out shorty, said I need about 40. Pull up to the party, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Gassed up shorty, said I.
Send this to your favorite cousin. Just a moment, cousin.
Hola.
Pretty for love, you know that I'm pretty for love.
Balloon dog.
I don't need a phone call, got nothing to say.
Send your location, cause damn, Papa, you ready. No comparing, and it's motherfucking scary. Trying to keep him cause I found him. Let a hole know, I ain't motherfucking sharing.
I'm sorry for fidgeting, but fidgeting's what I do. And one of these days you stole my fidget, I'll explode all over you.
Trading Fidgets, Part 2. Nemo, Pea Popper. Any offers?
Homemade fidgety things.
What the fuck? This is just a bag of water. Add, dumbass.
Tangle chain.
Oh, that's actually pretty rare. I'll take that, just because your brother died. Ah, stupid bitch!
Offering Rubik's Cube and Elmo.
That's a troll!
Offering Rubik's Cube and Troll.
DNA ball.
That's a deal.
Trading rare homemade fidgety thing.
Hey. But I made that.
Add, bitch.
Kid squish.
More.
No deal.
Your loss. 10 likes for Part 3.
I found this under my car seat. I wanna know if I can clean my car with it. It looks like shaving cream. It looks like ice cream. Doesn't look like it's gonna work. Let's add some glue. Now let's add some baking soda. Just a pinch of it. Let's use some borax solution. We'll pour some here and some here. Gather it all up and stir it up. I don't know if it's gonna work. It's very sticky. So look, check it out. It worked. This one makes noise though. See? Check it out. So yeah, pretty cool, but I can still reuse this. Place it back inside. There you go. Just like new.
I sit by myself, talking to the moon. You should know, you.
Give me your attention, baby. I gotta tell you a little something about yourself. You're wonderful, flawless, ooh, you a sexy lady. But you walk around here like you wanna be someone else. Oh, wow. I know that you don't know it, but you're fine, so fine. Fine, so.
What you been up to, Aiden? Yo, I've been dancing.